So in this video, I'm going to explain you container widget in Flutter. So actually, in Flutter, we are frequently using this container widget. So many places. So what is the container widget? Why we are using this widget in Flutter? So I will give you some detailed information about this widget. So let's start the code. So I'm taking the scaffold, adding the app bar, title giving text, name as Flutter demo, app bar, the body. I'm giving the text widget container widget. I'm giving the name as the container widget. Style, style, font size. Okay. So before going to use container widget, I want to explain some detailed information about that. So here, if you see the text widget, so when I run this up code, what will happen? Just check container widget. The text is coming. So but we don't have any margin. Margin we don't have. So it's looking not good. So for that we want to give some margin. So in this case we will use container widget. So what we will do means just wrap the container, just wrap this text widget to the container widget. That's it. So we wrapped the text widget to container. Now in the container widget we have few properties: margin, padding, height, width, color, decoration. Okay. So we want to give some space from top, left, and right, bottom. So what we will do, just add the margin. Just adding the margin 20. I'm giving the 20 margin as 20. Now run and check. So if you see, the space is added from top, left, right, bottom. Container widget. Now it looks good. So if you want to give some color to the background of the text, you will see here I am adding the color red. See, the red color is added to this text widget to the background. Okay. So now next I am using the property decoration. Box decoration. In this box decoration, we have few properties. Uh, border radius, box shadow, background blend mode, like this. We have these properties. These are the properties we will have: color, image, border radius, box shadow, gradient. So these are the properties we have. But right now, I will explain you few properties here that will be used to while you are developing the application. Border. I will give the border means I'm take border all width 5, color green. I'm giving green. So here now border added. Now you have to give the border radius. Border radius all. radius dot circular 20 means 80. I'm giving 80, or otherwise it will vary more. Just give 8, 10. The difference will come. So I am running this application. You will see that some error is coming. Okay, why it is showing means actually we added decoration. So in this case, we don't want to use color property to the direct container. So we want to remove this one. So in the decoration, we have to give that color property. If you use decoration, then you have to don't use the color property directly to the container. So if you not use decoration, so in this case, you will use directly a direct color property to the container. Now I am using inside this one. Why means it will not accept both places. See here. So if you see here, our border is added. The color will be green. I am giving green. The width will be border color. Width will be 5 dB, 5 pixels. Border radius also added 10. For example, if I increase to 20, see how it is come, how it is looks. It looks like this. So yeah, this is what complete detailed information about the container. So in the upcoming videos, in the next video, I will explain you sized box. So if you want to get more upcoming videos from my side, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.